Hey there, gearheads. Today, I'm diving into the world of timing belts, those often overlooked heroes that keep our engines running smoothly. Now, if you've been around machinery for a while, you know the crucial role these belts play. But let's break it down for anyone who might be new to the game. First off, what exactly is a timing belt? Think of it as the conductor in an engine's orchestra. It synchronizes the movement of the crankshaft and camshaft, ensuring that the engine's valves open and close at the correct times during each cylinder's intake and exhaust strokes. Without a functioning timing belt, your engine's performance can take a serious hit, or worse, you could face catastrophic engine failure. Now let's talk about materials. Most timing belts are made from high-quality rubber with nylon reinforced cords, providing both flexibility and strength. Some even come with Kevlar reinforcement for those heavy-duty applications. This combination allows them to withstand high temperatures and resist wear over time. But why should you care? Well, efficiency and longevity are key. Regularly inspecting and replacing your timing belt can extend the lifespan of your machinery and prevent costly downtime. Trust me, you don't want to be caught off guard by a snapped belt. So when should you replace it? Most manufacturers recommend a replacement every 60,000 to 100,000 miles for vehicles, but for industrial machinery it can vary. Always check your equipment's manual for specific guidelines. Here's a pro tip. Listen for unusual noises like ticking or high-pitched whirring. These can be early signs that your timing belt is wearing out. And while you're at it, keep an eye on the belt's tension. Too tight or too loose can both spell trouble. All right, let's wrap this up with a quick summary. Timing belts are essential for keeping your engine's components in sync and running efficiently. Regular checks and timely replacements can save you a ton of headaches and money in the long run. So next time you're under the hood or examining your industrial machinery, give your timing belt the attention it deserves. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. And if you need top quality timing belts, head over to gprindustrial.com. Stay safe and keep those engines purring.